Hello, your girl Marcita B here. Now, if you're new to my channel, let me just say welcome. I am happy to have you. Please hit that subscribe button. And let me just tell you right off the bat, I do not do a lot of tutorials. My channel is dedicated to bringing you the 411 on as many of the new crochet styles hitting the market as possible. I try the hair you may want to wear and bring you all the information about the hair so you can make an informed decision before you spend your coins. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know the deal. Thank you so much for your continued support. So let's get right on into it. I just installed a new set of crochet braids using the brand new Cocoa Curl from Freetress. Here's the deets. This is the hair that I use, brand new from Freetress Braid. It's their Cocoa Curl. Only been out like maybe a week or so. And as you can see there, I use color OT30. This hair does come in solids as well as 3 ombre shades. Have seen it on a couple sites online. I got mine at hairsisters.com. They had 11 colors, 3 ombres, 8 solids. The solids were running $4.99 a pack. Add 50 cents for the ombres, which brought them to $5.49 a pack. Let me tell you why I am loving this hair. As you can see, it is bulk crochet hair and it's not pre-loop. It actually comes in pre-separated strands. I'm going to pull one off right here. Comes in about 28 of these pre-separated strands. That tells you right off the bat your installation is going to be a lot faster because it saves the time of having to separate the strands. It's not pre-loop, and this hair has a yucky texture. Now don't freak out when you first take it out of the pack because it does feel a little clothy. I just added a little braid spray to mine. It's really soft and light, and since this is a yucky texture, made my installation super fast. Definitely less than 2 hours, probably about 1 hour 45 minutes. One loop, one tie, that hair was uptight, out of sight, and good to go. Here's my braiding pattern and a 360 seated and standing to give you a better look at the hair from all angles. Now, another little fun fact tidbit I discovered while I was checking out the pack to see if I could find the fiber content of this hair. Notice that this hair is made in Bangladesh, not China. And I'm thinking, Bangladesh. Where in the world is Bangladesh anyway? It's actually a South Asian country east of India, and 98% of the population are Bengali. Interesting. Those are the deets I have for you on Freetress's new Cocoa Curl. Now, as always, if there's anything that I did not cover, questions, comments, please post those below. I will get right back at you. I'm out for now though, YouTube. Thank you so very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.